What about a man? For a man, some of the symptoms are low sperm count. A lot of couples can't have children today. Sometimes it's the man, sometimes it's the woman. Also, penile dysfunction or erectile dysfunction, inability to hold an erection. In Australia, the current figures are 50% of men over the age of 40 are having trouble with this. That's crazy. Sorry, I got that mixed up. It's 40% of men over the age of 50 are struggling with this. And also prostate problems. A man with prostate problems, it's an indication of a hormonal imbalance. Too much of the female hormone can cause a man to be effeminate, and too much of the male hormone can cause a woman to be masculine. All of these are symptoms of a hormonal imbalance.
Do you want to feel like you're 20 again? What if I told you that erectile dysfunction doesn't have to be a permanent issue? Erectile dysfunction is considered a common condition, affecting millions of men worldwide. But the good news is there are natural ways to treat it. No need for invasive treatments or medications. Join us today as we explore the causes of erectile dysfunction and the simple, effective methods you can use to regain your vitality and confidence.
What causes hormonal imbalances in men?
What causes hormonal imbalances in men is very similar to what causes hormonal imbalances in women. And a man could have a hormonal imbalance if his mother was on the pill for several years before he was born. Also exposure to plastics. That's big today, drinking out of plastic bottles, and also eating food that maybe has been warmed up in plastic containers. That they are all contributing to it.
So what could they do to reverse it?
To reverse it, they can take the Anna's wild yam cream, because probably the symptoms of a male having a hormonal imbalance would be he was very effeminate. It could be low sperm count.
Anna's wild yam cream is a natural product that has been gaining attention for its potential to support hormonal balance and improve overall reproductive health. For men struggling with low sperm count or erectile dysfunction, it may offer a gentle and effective solution. Let's break it down in a simple way. The cream works by harnessing the power of wild yam, which contains a natural compound called diosgenin. Diosgenin can be converted into hormones like progesterone in the body. While progesterone is often associated with women's health, it's also important for men as it helps maintain a healthy hormonal balance. When your hormones are balanced, it can positively impact sperm production, improve libido, and even support erectile function. Using Anna's wild yam cream is straightforward. All you need to do is apply a small amount of the cream to areas where the skin is thin and absorbs well, such as the inner arms, thighs, or wrists. For best results, apply it twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. Massage it gently into the skin until it's fully absorbed. The cream is non-greasy, easy to use, and doesn't leave any residue. Consistency is key, so make it a part of your daily routine.
Now this one is Moon Made, and this one is called Men's Yam Cream. Do men have hormonal problems? They certainly do, and that can be manifested in low sperm count, penile dysfunction, in also prostate problems, to name a few. But in the man's one, yes, it's based on the yam cream because men have progesterone like women, and the yam cream boosts the progesterone.
Now let's talk about how it helps with sperm count. Hormonal imbalances can lead to reduced sperm production, but by supporting progesterone levels, the cream may help improve the quality and quantity of sperm over time. This can also boost your energy levels and mood, which are often affected when hormone levels are out of sync. When it comes to erectile dysfunction, Anna's wild yam cream works by addressing one of the root causes, hormonal imbalance. Balanced hormones contribute to better blood flow and improved nerve function, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy erections. Combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes proper nutrition, regular exercise, and stress management, the cream can be a natural and supportive way to reclaim your confidence. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a condition that affects millions of men worldwide, and while hormonal imbalance is a common cause, there are several other factors that can contribute to this issue. Understanding these causes is key to finding the right solutions. One of the most common causes of ED is poor blood flow. For an erection to occur, blood needs to flow freely to the penis. Conditions like high blood pressure, atherosclerosis, narrowing of the arteries, or diabetes can restrict blood circulation, making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. Smoking, which damages blood vessels, can also significantly impact blood flow and lead to ED. Another major factor is nerve damage. The nerves in the body play a critical role in signaling the brain to initiate an erection. Nerve damage caused by conditions like multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, or injuries to the spinal cord can disrupt this communication, leading to erectile problems. Even surgeries such as prostate cancer treatments can sometimes result in nerve damage that affects erectile function. Psychological factors also play a big role. Stress, anxiety, depression, or relationship problems can all impact sexual performance. When a person is under constant stress or dealing with low self-esteem, it can lead to performance anxiety, creating a cycle where fear of failure makes the issue worse. Addressing mental health and emotional well-being is often a crucial part of overcoming ED. Lifestyle choices can't be overlooked either. A sedentary lifestyle, excessive alcohol consumption, recreational drug use, and a poor diet can all negatively affect sexual health. Obesity in particular is linked to ED as it can lower testosterone levels and increase the risk of vascular disease, which further impacts blood flow. Erectile dysfunction is often a result of a combination of these factors rather than just one. Now let's discuss some powerful natural remedies to conquer erectile dysfunction. Number 1, ginseng, the herbal Viagra. Ginseng, particularly Korean red ginseng, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for improving sexual performance and treating erectile dysfunction. Often referred to as herbal Viagra, ginseng works in multiple ways to enhance blood flow, boost energy, and promote hormonal balance, all of which are crucial for maintaining healthy erectile function. Ginseng contains active compounds called ginsenosides, which are known to improve nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a chemical that helps relax blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow to the penis. Without adequate nitric oxide, achieving and maintaining an erection becomes difficult. Studies have shown that men who use ginseng regularly experience improved erectile performance, better stamina, and an overall increase in libido. In addition to improving blood circulation, ginseng acts as an adaptogen, which means it helps your body adapt to stress. Stress is a major psychological factor contributing to ED, and by reducing cortisol levels, ginseng can improve mental clarity, reduce performance anxiety, and enhance sexual confidence. To use ginseng for ED, you can take it as a supplement in capsule or powder form. The recommended dosage typically ranges from 600 to 1,000 milligrams 3 times daily. You can also brew ginseng tea by steeping dried ginseng root in hot water. It's important to note that results may take a few weeks, so consistency is key. Number 2, L-arginine, nature's blood flow booster. L-arginine is an amino acid that plays a vital role in producing nitric oxide, a compound critical for relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. For men experiencing ED due to poor blood flow, L-arginine can be a game changer. By enhancing nitric oxide levels, it helps increase blood flow to the penis, making it easier to achieve and sustain an erection. Unlike synthetic medications, L-arginine offers a natural approach without many of the side effects. It's particularly effective for men whose ED is related to cardiovascular issues, as improved blood flow benefits not just sexual health but overall vascular health. L-arginine is available in various forms, including supplements, powders, and even certain foods. Foods rich in L-arginine include nuts, especially almonds and walnuts, seeds, meat, fish, and dairy. A common dosage for L-arginine supplements is 5 grams per day, often split into 2 doses. For optimal results, pair it with a healthy diet and regular exercise to maximize its effects. It's worth noting that L-arginine works best when taken consistently and combined with other nitric oxide boosters like citrulline. However, individuals with low blood pressure or those taking medications like nitrates should consult their doctor before using L-arginine, as it could cause complications. Number 3, ashwagandha, the stress reliever and hormone balancer. Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, is an ancient herb with a long history in Ayurvedic medicine. It's well known for its ability to reduce stress, balance hormones, and boost energy, all factors that play a crucial role in combating ED. When stress levels are high, the body produces more cortisol, which can interfere with testosterone production and reduce libido. Ashwagandha helps combat this by lowering cortisol levels and enhancing testosterone production, promoting a healthy hormonal environment. One of the standout benefits of ashwagandha is its ability to improve stamina and endurance, both physically and sexually. Research shows that men who take ashwagandha experience better overall sexual performance, increased sperm quality, and even a heightened sense of well-being. For those dealing with psychological causes of ED, like anxiety or depression, ashwagandha can be especially helpful. Ashwagandha is commonly available in capsule or powder form. The typical dosage ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams per day, often split into 2 doses. You can also brew it into tea or add the powdered form to smoothies or warm milk with honey for a calming nighttime drink. However, ashwagandha may take a few weeks to show noticeable effects, so patience and consistency are important. One of the best things about ashwagandha is that it's generally safe for long-term use and has very few side effects. However, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare provider, especially if you're taking other medications or have a pre-existing condition. Number 4, maca root, the libido-enhancing superfood. Maca root, often referred to as Peruvian ginseng, has gained immense popularity as a natural remedy for erectile dysfunction and low libido. Found high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, this superfood has been used for centuries to enhance fertility, boost energy, and improve sexual performance. Unlike other herbs, maca doesn't directly influence hormones but works by nourishing the endocrine system and enhancing overall vitality. Maca root is rich in essential nutrients like vitamins B, C, and E, as well as minerals such as zinc, iron, and magnesium, all of which are critical for sexual health. It is also packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a key factor in erectile dysfunction caused by aging or poor lifestyle choices. Maca's unique compounds, known as macamides and macanes, are believed to be responsible for its libido-enhancing effects. Research shows that maca root can improve both the frequency and quality of erections by increasing energy levels and stamina. It has also been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, which often contribute to performance issues in the bedroom. To incorporate maca root into your routine, you can use it in powder or capsule form. Start with 1 to 3 teaspoons of powdered maca daily, which you can mix into smoothies, oatmeal, or even coffee. If you prefer capsules, a dosage of 1,500 to 3,000 milligrams per day is common. Consistency is crucial, as benefits typically become noticeable after a few weeks of regular use. Maca is generally well tolerated, but some people may experience mild digestive discomfort when starting out. If that happens, reduce the dosage and gradually increase it. Always opt for organic gelatinized maca, which is easier to digest and more concentrated than raw maca. As with any supplement, consult a healthcare professional before use, especially if you have thyroid issues, as maca contains goitrogens that may interfere with thyroid function. Number 5, Tribulus terrestris, the testosterone booster. Tribulus terrestris is a powerful herb widely used in traditional medicine to boost testosterone levels, enhance libido, and improve erectile function. Native to warm regions like Asia, Europe, and Africa, this herb works by increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, which signals the testes to produce more testosterone, a critical hormone for male sexual health. One of the key components in Tribulus terrestris is protodioscine, a compound believed to increase nitric oxide production, leading to improved blood flow to the penis. Enhanced blood flow not only supports stronger and longer-lasting erections, but also benefits overall cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction experience significant improvement in sexual performance and satisfaction after supplementing with Tribulus terrestris. In addition to its testosterone-boosting properties, Tribulus terrestris is known for its ability to reduce stress and improve mood, which are important for addressing psychological causes of ED. It also supports healthy sperm production, making it a great choice for men looking to improve fertility along with sexual function. Tribulus terrestris is typically consumed in capsule or powder form. A common dosage is 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, divided into 2 doses. However, for optimal results, choose a high-quality extract standardized to at least 45% saponins, the active compounds responsible for its effects. While Tribulus terrestris is generally safe, some people may experience mild gastrointestinal discomfort. Avoid exceeding the recommended dose, as very high amounts can lead to imbalances in testosterone levels. Number 6, fenugreek, the all-around vitality booster. Fenugreek, a popular herb used in cooking and traditional medicine, is a fantastic natural remedy for erectile dysfunction. Known for its slightly sweet, nutty flavour, fenugreek seeds are packed with compounds that enhance testosterone levels, improve libido, and support overall sexual health. One of its key components, called furanolix saponins, stimulates the production of testosterone, which is essential for maintaining healthy erections. Fenugreek not only boosts testosterone, but also improves insulin sensitivity, which is vital for men dealing with ED caused by diabetes or metabolic syndrome. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels and impair circulation. Additionally, fenugreek is known to enhance stamina and endurance, making it easier to perform well both in and out of the bedroom. Studies have shown that men who supplement with fenugreek experience increased sexual arousal, improved erection quality, and greater overall satisfaction. It also supports healthy sperm production and motility, making it a great choice for men looking to improve fertility. To use fenugreek, you can take it as a supplement, tea, or powder. A common dosage is 500 to 600 milligrams per day of fenugreek extract, standardized to contain at least 50% saponins. If you prefer the powdered form, you can mix 1 to 2 teaspoons into water, smoothies, or yogurt. Fenugreek seeds can also be soaked overnight and eaten the next morning for added benefits. Fenugreek is generally safe, but it may cause mild side effects like bloating or diarrhea in some people. If you are on blood-thinning medications or have a hormonal condition, consult your doctor before starting. For the best results, combine fenugreek with a balanced diet and regular exercise to support overall health and vitality. Number 7, Panax ginseng, the herbal Viagra. Panax ginseng, often called Asian ginseng, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries as a potent remedy for a wide variety of ailments, including erectile dysfunction, ED. Nicknamed the herbal Viagra, this adaptogenic herb works wonders for improving sexual performance, enhancing stamina, and boosting overall energy levels. If you're looking for a natural way to reclaim your confidence in the bedroom, Panax ginseng might be your answer. What makes Panax ginseng so effective for ED is its ability to enhance nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide is crucial for relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow, an essential component of achieving and maintaining a firm erection. This improved circulation doesn't just benefit sexual health, but also supports cardiovascular health, giving you a double advantage. Studies have shown that men who take Panax ginseng regularly report improved erectile function, increased libido, and greater satisfaction in their sex lives. Panax ginseng is also known for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body cope with stress, one of the most common psychological causes of ED. By reducing stress and anxiety, this herb not only helps with the mental barriers to intimacy, but also promotes overall well-being. Additionally, it improves stamina and energy, allowing you to feel more youthful and vibrant, both in and out of the bedroom. To incorporate Panax ginseng into your routine, you can take it in capsule, powder, or tea form. A typical dosage ranges from 200 to 400 milligrams of standardized extract, taken daily. If you're using the powdered route, about 1 to 2 grams per day is effective. It's important to choose a high-quality product labeled as standardized to ensure it contains the right amount of active compounds like ginsenosides. While Panax ginseng is generally safe, it's always a good idea to start with a lower dose to see how your body responds. Some people may experience mild side effects such as headaches, upset stomach, or trouble sleeping. To avoid these, take your ginseng earlier in the day and with food. If you have diabetes, are on blood-thinning medications, or have any chronic conditions, consult your doctor before starting Panax ginseng, as it can interact with certain medications. Consistency is key with Panax ginseng. While you may notice some immediate benefits in terms of energy and mood, it can take a few weeks to see the full effects on erectile function. Pairing Panax ginseng with a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management will maximize its benefits. Panax ginseng is more than just a remedy for ED. It's a powerhouse herb that rejuvenates your body and mind, helping you feel like your best self again. Give it a try and experience the natural boost it can bring to your confidence, performance, and overall vitality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.